Hello and welcome to the Twitcher Life podcast, the show that talks all about birds and bird watching. I am the president of Twitcher Life, Arnold. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common yet misunderstood groups of birds we see every day, sparrows. First of all, sparrows are a huge group of small songbirds found all over the world. While many people think of them as little brown birds, they are actually survival experts with some very unique adaptations. Most sparrows have short, thick, cone-shaped bills. This isn't just for show. These bills are built like pliers. This shape gives them the power needed to crack open tough seeds, which are a major part of their diet. Because they can eat seeds that other birds cannot, sparrows can live in places like snowy fields, dry grasslands, and even busy city sidewalks. You've probably seen sparrows hopping around the ground, and this is actually a very specific and important behavior. Unlike some birds that walk or run, many sparrows use a double scratch movement with their feet to find seeds and insects hidden under fallen leaves or dirt. They kick backward with both feet at the same time to find food that other birds might completely miss. This technique gives them access to food that is always available no matter the season. Sparrows are also very social birds, and you'll often see them gathered together in groups called flocks. This lifestyle is actually a smart survival move. When a group of sparrows feed together, there are more eyes looking out for predators like hawks or cats. If one bird gets scared and flies away, the whole group falls instantly. This fast response makes it much harder for a predator to single out and catch one bird. Living and feeding in a flock is one of the most important reasons sparrows are so successful at surviving in the wild. There are many different types of sparrows, and they are all not the same. Two iconic examples are the song sparrow and the white-throated sparrow. The song sparrow is famous for its beautiful, complex whistling, which it uses to defend its territory in the spring. The white-throated sparrow is easy to spot because of the bright yellow patches between its eyes and bills, and it has a very iconic sound. Another one you likely see every day is the house sparrow. These are actually old world sparrows and are very brave, often nesting right inside the sides of stores. One thing that makes sparrows so interesting is their camouflage. Their feathers are usually a mix of brown, gray, and black, which are perfect for blending into tall grass, bushes, or the ground. This helps them hide from predators while they are busy finding seeds and insects. Even though many sparrows look similar at first glance, each species has a tiny but important differences in their feather patterns. For example, some have stripes on their heads, while others have a single dark spot on their chest. Learning to tell them apart is a challenge for any bird watcher. Here are a couple of fascinating facts about sparrows that might surprise you. Did you know some sparrows are incredible long-distance travelers? The white-crowned sparrow, for example, can migrate thousands of miles and kilometers each year between its breeding and wintering grounds. To prepare for this journey, these birds eat a lot of food to store fat as fuel for energy. Their ability to navigate such distances using the stars, the sun, and even the Earth's magnetic field is one of nature's most impressive feats. Another interesting fact that sparrows are very clean birds that regularly take dust baths. They find an area of dry, loose soil and flap their wings to work the dust all through their feathers. This might look like odd behavior, but it actually serves an important purpose. The dust helps take up excess oil and moisture, and it also stops tiny parasites like mice and lice that can damage feathers by preventing them from breathing. Keeping the feathers clean and in perfect condition is important for flying efficiently and staying warm, especially during cold nights or long migrations. Even though they might look plain at first glance, sparrows play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. They help control insect populations and spread seeds as they move from place to place. They show that birds don't need bright blue or red feathers to be an amazing part of the bird world. Next time you see a little brown bird hopping on the ground, take a closer look. It might just be a sparrow living a very busy and successful life. Hope you listeners liked the topic today and share with other bird lovers. So, with that, we have reached the end of the podcast. If you want to reach us out, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The channel name is Twitch Live. Thank you so much for listening. Peace!